How to use gift cards on Amazon. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Amazon application. After that, go to your profile icon from the second icon in your navigation bar. After that, scroll down and you will see an option gift card balance. Then, if you have any gift card, all you have to do is tap on redeem gift card. Tap on it. After that, then simply enter your claim code or simply scan your claim code from here. So after that, your gift card balance will be applied to your balance and you will get the certain discount that you will be getting. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.